In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Klarna customer service. Whether you have questions about payments or need assistance with your account, getting in touch with Klarna's customer service team is straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you connect with them as smoothly as possible. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Klarna website. This is the most reliable way to start, as it ensures you're going through the proper channels. Once you're on the Klarna homepage, you'll notice a clean and user-friendly layout designed to guide you effortlessly. Look towards the upper part of the page where you'll find the customer service link. This is your gateway to getting the help you need. Clicking on this link will direct you to the customer service section, which is tailored to address a wide range of inquiries. Here, Klarna offers various resources, including FAQs and articles that might resolve your query without needing further contact. However, if you still need personalized assistance, the next step is to click on Sign in to chat with us. Klarna offers a convenient chat feature where you can speak directly with a support representative. This chat option is particularly useful for getting immediate responses, especially if your issue is time sensitive. Make sure you're logged into your Klarna account to use this feature effectively, as it allows the representative to access your information readily and provide more personalized support. If for any reason the chat doesn't suit your needs, or if you require a different form of communication, the customer service page also has a Contact Us section. By clicking on this, you can find alternatives such as phone support or even email options depending on your country of residence. Klarna aims to be as accessible as possible, ensuring no matter what your preference or need, you can select a method of communication that works best for you. Remember, when contacting customer service, have all your relevant information handy. This includes your order details or account information, as it will help the support team respond to your inquiry more efficiently. They're here to help, and being prepared can streamline the process, saving you time and effort. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can reach out to Klarna customer service and get the assistance you need. Whether you choose to chat online, call, or send an email, Klarna is committed to providing you with the best possible service and support. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave your comments or questions below, and happy shopping with Klarna.